4.3 Day 2, more practice polynomial long division. So we are going to do A3, the problem related to long division. So we are going to divide x cubed plus x squared minus 9x minus 6 by x squared minus 9. I completed this polynomial by adding 0x because 0x term was missing. So now I want to get x cubed, so I multiplied this whole polynomial by x. So x times x squared is x cubed, x times 0x is 0x squared, and x times 9, negative 9 is negative 9x. Change the sign because we are going to subtract. X cubed and negative x cubed cancel. X squared plus 0x is x squared. Negative 9x plus 9x cancel to 0. Bring down the negative 6. Now we are going to get x squared underneath x squared. So that's why we are going to multiply this by 1. So 1 times x squared is x squared. 1 times 0x is 0x. And 1 times negative 9 is negative 9. Going to change the sign. So you're going to get this cancel. This is already 0. Negative 6 plus 9 is 3. So the remainder is 3. Now we are going to divide 6x cubed minus x squared plus 12x, and we are going to complete the equation. That's going to be x squared plus 0x plus 2. We need something that is underneath 6x cubed. So we want to multiply something here to get at least 6x cubed underneath 6x cubed. So x squared is already there. I multiplied it by 6x. So 6x times x squared is 6x cubed. 6x times 0 is 0. 6x times 2 is 12x. Change the sign of the bottom, and 6x and 6x cubed cancel because negative and positive sign. And you're going to get negative x squared plus 0 is going to be negative x squared plus 0. And now you're going to multiply it by negative 1. So we are going to multiply this by negative 1. Negative 1 times x squared is negative x squared. Negative 0x, negative 2. Change the sign. You're going to cancel the negative and positive, 0 and 0, and the answer is going to be positive 2 as a remainder. Next, we are going to divide x cubed plus 3x squared minus 4x minus 6 with the polynomial x squared plus 0x minus 4, and here you're going to multiply it by x, so that when you multiply x with this polynomial, you at least get the first term as x cubed. So x times x squared is x cubed plus 0x squared minus 4x. Change the sign. The x cubed and negative x cubed cancel. 3x squared plus 0x squared is going to be 3x squared. 4x and negative 4x cancel, so this term get cancelled, and that's going to be 0x. Bring down the negative 6, so it's negative 6. Now we are going to multiply or decide what we're going to multiply so that we can get 3x squared on the bottom. So the number that we are going to multiply or decide is 3x, or just 3 actually, just 3. 3 times x squared is 3x squared. 3 times 0 is 0x, and 3 times negative 4 is negative 12. Change the sign, and 3x squared negative 3x cancel, 0 and 0 cancel. Negative 6 plus 12 is going to be 6 as a remainder. Now we are going to divide 2x to the 4 minus 40x squared minus 28. And you can see that here x cubed and x terms are missing. So I'm going to plug it in 0. So 0x cubed and 0x divided by x squared minus 5x minus 2. So the first number that I decided to multiply is 2x squared. So 2x squared times this polynomial goes underneath here. 2x squared times x squared is 2x to the 4. 2x squared times 5x is 10x to the third. 2x squared times 2 would be negative 4x squared. Change the sign. This negative 2 and positive 2 cancel. 0 plus 10 is 10x cubed. Negative 40 plus 4 is going to give you negative 36x squared. And 0x bring down as it is. Now you're going to multiply 10x with the x squared. You get 10x cubed. 10x times 5 would be negative 50x squared. And 10x times negative 2 is negative 20. Change the sign. This becomes negative. 10 and 10 cancel. Negative 36 plus 50 is going to be 14x squared plus 20x and bring down the negative 28. Now you're going to multiply this polynomial by 14 because 14 times x squared is 14x squared, and that will cancel the 14 here. So 14 times x squared is 14x squared. 14 times 5 would be negative 70x. 14 times negative 2 is 28. Change the sign. The negative and positive 14 cancel. 20 plus 70 is 90x, and negative and positive 28 cancel. So the remainder is 90x.